everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I recreated this sugar skull look by Twig Makeup, then please keep watching. I prepped my skin with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and concealed my brows for the crystallization process using Elmers glue. I use a spoolie to flatten the hairs by brushing them upwards before applying one more layer of glue. And once again flattening them with a steel spatula before cleaning off any residual glue from the skin with micellar water. I use this mini fan to speed up the drying process. Foundation is Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in Toasted Coconut, which I applied with a damp beauty blender. I filled in the other brow using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And set it using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I used Danessa Myricks Colorfix in the color Lift for the eyes. I completely forgot to prep my lids with a primer and this actually ended up cracking a bit. I used the same Colorfix to fill in the brow that I had blocked. I then used the Mehron Paradise Basic palette in white to fill in the patterns on my face with what to me gave me real tribal vibes. There was no set design or pattern in which I followed to fill them in. You can kind of just let your imagination run wild and do whatever you want. As a base for the lips, I used Danessa Myricks Colorfix in Exposed. I let this set a bit and continued with the jawline before painting on the teeth. And now for the fun part, for the crystallization. I used a combination of flat back pearls and crystals from Evol UK, and I adhered them to the skin using Aquafix glue. I basically just randomly set them down between all the lines. I then used the colour Brilliant from the Morphe 35B palette and blended this into the inner corner of the eyes just to bring out the colour from the pearls. I used NYX Matte Lid Lingerie and Bad to the Bone for the lower lashes. And continued with the crystallization of the eyebrow. I then painted and crystallized the same pattern down onto my neck. Finally, I added these teardrop shaped crystals to the lips for the teeth to finish off the look. These are from Bluestreak Crystals. As with everything else, I'll make sure to put all the links in the description. I added B801 lashes from Eldora. And I added this pearl and crystal headband from Amazon just to finish off the look. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing.